Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to generate an image in Adobe Express. So get started. At first open your Adobe Express. Now we show the interface. Now generative image. Now going to the generative with AI from click. Then click for a generative image. Now for click again. Then you show new interface from Adobe Express. Now from a generative image. Now show the command, the text. Now your command in the image. Now a command from strawberry fruit. Now click from a generate, then wait. Now waiting some for moment and generative from image. That I successfully. Then we show 4 images to the generate in Adobe Express. Then we show beautiful image in the 4 images. That is. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.